Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshadarine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara 11 times Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna. Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Show your hand. Please raising hand. Just listen. So dirty. You ask for listen. Okay, listen.
Mataji, I'm seeing two people I can see. Mataji. Mataji. Mataji, I can't hear you. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji.
You can't hear me or you can't see me? What's the problem?
We can see you, Mataji.
I was not able to hear you, but now I am able to hear you. I can see three people, Mataji. Mataji.
That's why you were not able to hear me. Okay, if you want to hear me, you all should be silent. Then you can hear me, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Very good. I request everybody to be on mute, okay? Thank you, kids. Thank you so much. Okay. Hare Krishna. Let's start our call. Hare Krishna. Balram Purnima ki jai. Let's talk about stories of Lord Balram and some pastimes of Lord Balram. Okay, today is Lord Balram.
Okay.
Hare Krishna. So here we are seeing about Lord Balram today. Lord Balram is appearance day we are talking about. So Lord Balram is not appeared. Like we are not seeing here. Today is Lord Balram birthday. We are not saying like that. We are saying it's appearance day. So there is a difference between, let's say today I born. So then everybody,
Can't see Mataji the
your
picture.
birthday Mataji, today your birthday Mataji, right? Everybody says me like that. But they don't say today is your appearance day because I am a human. I am not a god. I'm not a supreme personality of Godhead. So they call me.
Mataji, we can't not see the picture.
You cannot see the picture? Mataji, you cannot see the picture?
We can.
We can see the picture.
We can see the picture, Mataji. Me
Oh.
too. I could see the picture.
Okay.
I can see the picture.
Okay. Thank you. So here, but Lord is appearing because he is selecting his own parents. Let's say me, I did not select my parents, right? We did not select our parents and then we just came to this material world according to our previous past life, right? So here, but Lord Balram has selected his parents.
Mataji, we can't see the Balram picture.
Okay, you join back, okay? I don't know, there might be some problem with your connection. You have to join back. Rest everybody could see the PPT, okay?
We could see the picture.
Yeah. Okay. So if you have to see, probably
Yes.
can you change your view mode or something like that? Can you answer now?
Mummy, I think somebody's family is in low.
That is why it is called Lord Balram's appearance day. There is a differences between Lord Balram and Krishna. What is the difference? Both are supreme personality of Godhead. But Lord Balram is in serving mood. Lord Krishna is accepting the services. And there is another difference also. Lord Balram doesn't wear peacock feather, right? Lord Krishna wears the peacock feather. Lord Balram wears blue color cloth. Lord Krishna wears yellow color clothes. Moving on to the next slide. So, Lord Balram serves Krishna in all the way. In all 5 rasas, there are 5 rasas. There is Shantaras, Dasyaras, Sakyaras, Vatsyaras, and Madhuryaras. Shantaras means Krishna's jewelry, Krishna's shoes, kartal, mridanga, everything. Krishna, like Balram is coming to serve Krishna in the way of jewelry, in the way of kartal, mridanga. So like that, Krishna, Balram is serving to Krishna. Then comes to Dasyaras. Lord Balram's mood itself, Dasya. He is serving, always is serving. He comes in that mood itself. When Krishna appeared as Rama, he came as Lakshmana and he served. Let's see the picture. There is a picture, see. Here is a picture. So when Krishna has appeared as Lord Rama, then he came Balram. Lakshmana, and in that form also Lord Balram was serving Krishna. And then when Krishna came as Jagannath, our Balram came as Baladev to serve Krishna. And then when Krishna took a form of Vishnu, what was the form our Balram has taken? Anantashesh. And he's making
Anantashesh.
Yes, Lord to sleep, right? Lord can happily sleep. He's becoming like a soft bed for the Lord. Okay.
Anantashesha.
Anantashesha. So when Lord came as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then when Krishna came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, our Balram came as Nityananda. Nityananda. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then moving on to the next slide. So like this, we saw Shantaras, we saw Dasyaras. Now
Your voice is breaking.
Sakyarasa. Sakya means friendship. So we can have a friendship with Krishna. So here we can see how Balram is serving Krishna in Sakyarasa. Sakyarasa means Krishna and Balram are always like friends. You can see here.
Why did you unmute us?
They are just in the forest playing. They are playing ball with the amalaka fruit, and then they are just acting like a birds. They're always playing. Always playing like this. Balram is serving Krishna.
My God, no.
We have Madhurya Rasa. Madhurya Rasa is Krishna's lover, and say where gopis like that dancing with Krishna. So this also is served by Balram. Balram took a form of Ananga Manjari. Like as a Manjari, he also take part in this pastime. So in this way, Krishna is serving, so Balram is serving Krishna always, always. And there is last one, Vatsalya Rasa. Balram is also serving Krishna in Vatsalya. Vatsalya means parenting, motherhood. We can see the pastime of where Krishna was eating mud. When Krishna was eating mud, Balram was able to find it, and then he went and complained to Mother Yashoda. Look, Maya, Krishna is eating mud. So he is very caring, like a mother. He is always caring whether Krishna is eat food or not, whether Krishna slept or not, what Krishna is doing. Everything is taken care by Balram. So Balram is serving Krishna in Santaras, Dasyaras, Sakyaras, Madhurya, and Vatsalya. So all 5 rasas Balram is serving. Balram is serving Krishna so much. So Balram is known as Adi Guru. So we should always pray to Balram so that we can get Krishna's mercy. How do we get Krishna's mercy? We get Krishna's mercy through spiritual masters. So our Balram is our spiritual master. So we should pray to Balram to get mercy of Krishna. Bala means what? Strength, right? Rama means pleasure. To get Krishna consciousness pleasure, to be happy in Krishna consciousness, always be strong in Krishna consciousness, we need Balram's mercy. So let's say Balram ki
Yay!
Yes. Yes. Lord Balram. Lord Krishna has killed many demons. Balram has killed few of them. Among that, we can see Lord Balram killed Dhenukasura demon. We all know this pastime, right? You all must have watched in Little Krishna how all the cowherd boys want to eat the fruit in Talavan, and then they all go to Talavan to eat this fruit. And then what happened? There is a demon called Dhenukasura, and then what happens? When Balram was plucking the fruit and want to eat the fruit, and then this Dhenukasura demon comes and kicks him, and then Balram just takes the legs of that demon and just make round and throw him like that. And then all the Dhenukasura's friends who are there, everybody will kill. You can see in this picture. So here we can see the Dhenukasura demon represents the earth in our bad qualities of like we have so many bad qualities that we need to get through out of it. So that Dhenukasura demon represents ignorance and foolishness. So these pastimes teaches us how to remove that ignorance and foolishness. So next pastime is killing killing the Pralambasura demon. Balaram also killed Pralambasura demon. We all know this pastime. We saw this one also in Little Krishna, right? You all must have watched many times this pastime, where Krishna and Balaram used to have many games in the forest. Then they had one day they decided to have wrestling game, and Krishna could understand there was one cowherd boy who came, one demon who came in the form of cowherd boy, right? And then so then what happened? Okay, then Krishna planned to kill him. So then Krishna won the match, and then they all carried the losing party, carried the winning party on their back. Like that, Krishna's party were carrying Balram party, because Balram party has won and Krishna's party was loose. And then everybody were carrying. Hare Krishna, please be quiet. Okay, Lord Balram will be so happy. Okay, when you be quiet, you all want Lord Balram's blessings, right? Please be quiet. So then this Pralambasura is carrying Lord Balram to kill him. So then Lord Balram is the supreme personality of Godhead. We all know that. Then what happens? He kills Pralambasura. Balram kills Pralambasura. So Pralambasura demon represents the bad quality of having, like, I should become great, I want everything, these all qualities that Pralambasura demon represents. Okay, then Balram also killed Vividha gorilla demon, and also he killed Romaharsana. Many demons he killed. Okay, many demons he killed. Now we will see one brief pastime. Okay, the marriage of Samba. In this pastime, Duryodhana had a very beautiful daughter called Lakshmana. He invited many princes for this Swayamvara to get married of a daughter. So Samba is the son of Jambavati and Krishna. And then this Samba want to go to this Swayamvaram, and he also goes there without even telling to anybody. After he sees Lakshmana, then he immediately captured her and ran away.
Duryodhana was a yucky boy.
देखता है क्या बोल रहा है, ये स्टोरी है.
Okay.
The story.
Hare Krishna, please be quiet, okay? And captures and then ran away from that place. And then even Lakshmana, who she also did not like to carry me like that.
Last story.
Okay. I guess now you all cannot unmute yourselves because you were doing naughty, so I have to mute everybody. I'm so sorry for that. So like this, Duryodhana's daughter had Swayamvara, and then Samba came over there to see her with all other different princes around. And then Samba, immediately after seeing her, he captured her and just ran away from that place. And then even she did not like it. How can you carry me like without asking my parents? She also did not like. And then Kaurava's family, they what they did is they sent 6 different men who are like, in that among them there is Karna and Duryodhana and Bhishma, everybody who is very powerful to catch this Samba. Samba is also very powerful. At the time he can fight with 10,000 men. And these also 6 men who were going to catch Samba, they are also very powerful. So finally they have caught this Samba, and there was very big fight between them. Samba also could fight so strong, even though he was a single person from his side, and the other side there was 6 men who were very strong, equal to him. But still the fight went so long. Samba break all the chariots of other side party. Kaurava's party, everybody's chariot. And then finally what happens, Samba's bow breaks, and then what happens? Then he could not do anything. Then they will capture him. They'll capture him and also Lakshmana, and then they'll take them away. So what happens is, then here, knowing this news, Narada Muni knows about all of this, how Samba is captured by Kauravas in Hastinapur. And then knowing this, Narada Muni goes to Dwaraka and informs Yadu's family, everybody, that Samba has captured like this. There was like injustice happened to Samba. Samba was single person. Other side there were 6 people and fighting was going between them. And then like this happens. And then what happened? Hearing this, Lord Balrama says, okay, I will go and I will bring back Samba. This is not fair, but I'll make sure that I'm not going to fight with them or harm anybody. He was like that initially. He was thinking like that. He don't wanted to harm anybody, want to bring back Samba. But after going to Hastinapur, everybody went there. Lord Balram and Brahmanas from Yadu family and many other people went from Dwaraka to Hastinapur. Vrinda, quiet. So then what happened? After reaching the main gate of Hastinapur, near the garden, they all were sitting, and Uddhava went to Duryodhana and told that, Lord Balrama has came to see you. So by hearing this message from Uddhava, Lord Balrama has came. So Duryodhana and everybody came from Kaurava's family and welcomed Lord Balrama very nicely. They have given all the respect. They welcomed with water, drinks, garlands, and sandalwood paste. Everything they have given. And what happened? Once Lord Balrama said that I wanted to take Samba and also Lakshmana, you have captured them like this. It's very bad. You did injustice to them. How can Samba fight with 6 people? He is alone. How can he do that? It is wrong. You give them back. Then as soon as Lord Balram has told this, then Kaurava's family got so much angry. How can you say this? We cannot give them. And you coward means you don't know how to fight also. You are very, very low strength. You just know how to take care of cows. You don't have any strength. Hearing this comment from the Kaurava side, Lord Balram got so much angry because he's insulting all the Yadu family, Lord Krishna and everybody. Once the insult went to the Yadu family and Lord Krishna, and Balram got so much angry. We can see here how much love Lord Balram has towards Krishna. Immediately he got so much angry and he said, okay, this is what you are telling, right? And then he laughs. Ha, 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 ha. Let's see now what is going to happen. I am going to teach you a lesson. So then Lord Balram decides to teach them a lesson. What he will do, always Lord Balram carries what he carries? Plow, right? He carries a plow, and then you can see in this picture, he takes the plow and he pulls all the land, like, he just drags it, all the Hastinapur nearby river, which is flowing river. He just pulled everything closer to the river so that this all Hastinapur falls in the water. So seeing this, everybody, Duryodhana and everybody, they could not, Kauravas could understand what is the greatness of Lord Balram. And immediately they came and they fall at the feet of Lord Balram and they said, please forgive us, we did a big mistake. Please don't put us in this danger. Please help us. Please help us. We are sorry. Then immediately Lord Balram releases the plow and he'll say, okay, he will smile. And now what happens? Now, then Duryodhana gives, make a marriage between Samba and her daughter. The big ceremony will happen and then he will give lots and lots of gifts to his daughter. So many cows, horses, gold and everything he will give, and then they all will take give a grand reception to them, Lord Balram and everybody, and Lord Balram goes back to Dwaraka from Hastinapur. So this is a pastime of Lord Balram, and we can see here how Lord Balram is so merciful and so loving, caring for Lord Krishna. We can see how he was so caring. As soon as the name came on Krishna, he said that, you know, yeah, Yadavas are like this. He immediately got angry. So we can see how much love he has for Krishna. So we should all pray to get Krishna's mercy. We need Lord Balram's mercy. We should all pray to Lord Balram to give us lots and lots of mercy of Krishna, and we can get closer to Lord Krishna and progress in our spiritual life. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, this is the story for today. Happy Balram Purnima once again. We can move to the next part of our session, which is learning something which is Krishna, Balram's favorite. We will invite Anjana Gopika Mataji to teach us. Anjana Gopika Mataji, please take over, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Hari Bol, everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, can you see me, Mataji? कहाँ पर है printer?
Mataji, this is Shama Gauri. We can't see you.
Wait, Mataji, I saw you now.
Hari Bol, Mataji, we can see you.
Okay, Hari Bol, kids. We are reading the Lord Balram's favorite Varuni. Hari Bol. We are making Lord Balram's favorite beverage, Varuni. Do you all have a milk with you? Half cup of milk. Yeah. You all can prepare half cup of milk. What's it?
Can you just wait?
Yes, I'm waiting.
Are we supposed to do that now?
Yes, now. What's the wait? Wait, put down. Half cup of milk with. This is my milk. I put the.
Don't do that. Can you just wait?
Yes, this is my milk. I put the date with dates. You can use anything, okay? Or plain milk also fine, but I soak the dates and then I mixed with the dates. Or plain milk also fine. Put. Yes. Now yogurt less than half cup.
What? Mataji, you need to put all the milk. No, all the yogurt.
Yes, a half cup of milk first and less than half cup is yogurt.
Mataji. Honey too.
Yes.
Mataji. Honey too. Mataji.
Yes, honey also.
What did you say, Mataji?
After that, we less than half cup. Less than half cup. 1 second,
Mataji.
Half less than half cup. Yeah,
Mataji.
It's okay, man. If you sing something.
yes, 1 second. Then mixing it. Yeah, less than half cup. You can put yogurt. Mataji, can you give next? Can you put next slide? Nunta Mataji. Yeah, cream 1 teaspoon. This is optional. If you want to put cream, this is optional. Okay.
Cream.
Yeah.
What's cream? What's cream? We don't have
Whipping cream.
whipping cream.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Whipped cream. Mataji, we don't have whipped cream. I don't know what to do now.
That's fine. It's optional.
I don't know what to do.
Dani is making
Just watch out there.
Oh my God. Crazy. Would sugar work instead?
Yeah,
Would sugar What's Kada shape? Did you have a normal honey though? Sugar work? So Mataji, my mom Mataji very fast. Mataji, would sugar work? I don't like
yes, yes.
I love that Mataji can listen you. Mataji, we I don't like to drink it. I don't like it. No, 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 I don't like to drink. I don't like to drink.
These are fasting only. This one is fasting one.
Oh, no, 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 no. Mataji, you fasting also. Is Kada to there. Can we drink it? Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes,
Tula.
yes, see it. Rose water.
Mataji will make it better.
If you have a rose water, you can put a rose water also. It will come very nice smell. I don't have rose water. I'm not gonna put rose water. That's all.
When do we go to the break room?
That's all. If you want, I have some coconut nuts. If you want to put some nuts, Balram will
have rose water.
Cashew nut.
When do we go to the break room?
We don't go back room this week. We will have only fun this week. From next week, maybe after Janmashtami again we'll do the break room. We'll not have a sloka or rhyme this week.
Okay, fine. How much honey, Mataji?
Honey, 3 teaspoons.
Honey is 3 plus 4, 3.
Yeah, I finished my making.
Wait, what are we supposed to put in first?
We're supposed to half cup of milk and less than half cup of this yogurt. After that, you have to off for now. Okay. Yeah. And then after that, you can put cream 1 teaspoon.
Mataji will send you photo.
Yes, very nice. Thank you for sending.
Mataji. Oh my God.
Yes, very good.
Good to go to the break room. Mataji, can you see me cooking? No, one slow clap. Mataji, can you see me cooking?
Yes, I can see you.
No, Mataji.
Yes, yes, very nice. You are cooking. Thank you.
Wow.
Yes. Okay. Aisa Kavis is making.
You dead.
Yeah, Radhika.
That is Mori, Dori.
Dan is making. Shivans is making. Yeah, you all are making Tanvik. I saw everyone. Prana, Brinda, Chaitanya Charan, Satvik.
Can we drink it even?
Yes. Yeah, Balram, Subhadra.
Can we drink it even?
You offer to Balram. Balram likes so much this one.
Mataji,
Sridhar.
mine.
Parikshit is making.
Mataji,
Yes?
this is my one.
Okay, it's very nice. Very nice. Oh my God.
Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
Is this Govinda?
Now, not Govinda, Damodar. Now you can stop. You just offer to Balram. We have a coloring page now, okay?
Done. Okay. Offer करके आती है मम्मा. Okay.
कितना स्वीट होएगा. Can we taste it? I already colored. Can you please wait?
If you have a coloring picture, yeah, yes, it's very nicely Mataji put. I think Brinda done that one. Yeah, if you have a coloring picture, I have this one.
Mataji, I have one Mataji. No, mine not printed than Mataji. Mataji,
Or if you don't have, if you want
Mataji, do we need to color it now? Mataji.
Yeah, if you have a coloring picture, you can color now. Hari bol. Yes.
Mataji.
Yes, tell me.
I have a coloring paper. Nana printed it.
Yeah, bring a color. Because Balram wear blue dress, yes?
You can color.
And then
Mataji.
as you like. Yes?
Mataji, can we put any color, Mataji?
Yes, any color. Actually, Balram wear blue dhoti because Krishna's color is blue, yes?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Then,
Why does Krishna wear yellow dhoti?
yeah, Krishna wear yellow dhoti because Radharani's color is yellow. Come. Come then. Radharani wear blue dhoti again Krishna's color. Blue sari. Blue sari. Yeah.
Red and blue.
Yes.
Mataji, I draw Balram.
Yes. If you draw, can you show?
I am showing.
Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, Raj. Very nice.
Who
If
is
you
showing?
don't have a picture, if you don't have a printer or anything, you can also draw and color later on. You can send in the.
Very cute.
That is very cute. Yes. Oh my God, so sweet, Radhika. You can send in the group, okay?
Mataji.
Yes. After that. Color.
So I made that Bhavani for that Balaram, but in here I cannot show because it's saying that the host is not letting me put on the video.
No. Host is not doing. Mataji cannot see here.
Oh no, it's not like that. Maybe some problem. What is your name?
It's Gauri.
Gauri, okay. I saw your video, right? Initially, I saw you when you joined.
Yeah, now it's not.
No, I'm asking you to start. See, now it came. Where are you, Gauri?
Yeah, Isa Prana is doing coloring, the coloring.
Yes, Gauri, now we can see you.
Yeah.
Mataji.
Yes, Manma is doing coloring. If you don't have printer, you can just how Radhika is. See, draw the Balaram and see color. You can do that also, okay?
Mataji.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, we can see you, Gauri, now. Can you show your picture?
I didn't make the picture, but I wanted to say that the Bhavani I made, it's like I made it with toys. But
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah.
do that.
Did you see it? Anvi's coloring. And yeah, you can make a picture also. You know how to draw Balram? You can draw Balram as you like.
Think about the Bhavani we made for Balaram.
You made?
Yeah, but it's made out of pit and toys.
Very nice. Oh, Sivans, very nice. Very nice. You already colored. Very nicely colored. You can just send after coloring. You can send in the group, okay? Rhythm,
Already maybe yesterday I made one, but it's not the same as that one.
Don't worry. See,
any page is okay. Balram Pixar, you can just choose. My printer also is not working. I had a older one.
Lisa, just do it. Continue doing it. Yeah, do.
I'll throw bounce, okay? Just press करें. थोड़ा high hands करा. I'll do a little bit more. Try करो.
Vinita Mataji, you can ask the question 2-3 minutes and then we can maybe they can tell anything about Balram.
Yes, yes.
How to speak?
Think, come on.
Can you all tell me what's the difference between Lord Balram and Lord Krishna? Can anybody tell me one difference?
I can say you one difference, Mataji.
Yes.
Balram is more I can't hear you, Mataji. Mataji, I can tell one difference.
Question. What is the difference between Lord Balram and Lord Krishna?
Krishna has a feather, and Balram doesn't have a feather on his top.
Yes.
Balram is more than Krishna. Balram is white. Krishna is blue.
Yes, that is there. There is one more main difference is there. What is that?
Mataji, Krishna
Balram
is
wants to serve and Krishna is taking the service from Lord Balram, right?
Mataji, I know the difference of Lord Balram and Lord Krishna. Krishna is blue and Lord
Balram is fair.
Balram is not blue.
Yes, he's fair. Yes.
Mataji,
Yes, yes, yes. Can anybody tell what are the demons Lord Balram has killed? I've explained so many demons.
Lambasura, Renukasura,
Renukasura, yes. And okay, how did Lord Balram move Hastinapur to the river? How did he move? How did, with the help of what?
axe or something. Axe.
Yes.
No.
What Lord Balram? Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Tell me what is the time, Gayatri?
Very nice. One more question. It's time? Okay, it's time. Okay, then thank you so much, kids, for participating so nicely with the story, question, answer, coloring, and also doing very nicely.
Mataji.
Lord Balram. Please send your pictures in the group, okay?
Mataji,
Yes, yes, what is that?
I want to tell a difference between Lord and Lord Balaram.
Yes, tell.
Balaram dress is blue and Krishna's dress is yellow.
Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Very good. Lord Balram ki jai.
Lord Balaram ki jai.
One.
Am I supposed to draw Balaram and Krishna together? Balaram ki jai.
You can send your offering.
Bye.
Lord Balram.
Balaram ki
Right.
jai. Bye. Ki jai.